Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on live sharing your computer's audio along with its screen on Skype. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in a call on Skype, start sharing your screen by clicking the Share Screen button at the bottom right beside the heart icon. If you have multiple monitors, you can select which one to record, or you can choose to only share a specific application window. Make sure you enable the option here called Share Computer Sound and then hit Start Sharing. Your PC audio is now being broadcast, as well as the screen to the users in your Skype call. You can cancel it anytime by hitting the screen share button again and then clicking Stop Sharing. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Skype tips and tricks.